Welcome to Easy Side, and in this episode, we'll be explaining the Big Bang Theory. Now, first off, what is the Big Bang Theory? The Big Bang Theory is the theory that the universe started off from one Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. But what evidence do we have to prove it actually happened? We have the abundance of light elements in the universe as evidence of the Big Bang Theory, but what other types of proof do we have? To answer this question, I brought in astronomers Edwin Hubble and Arno Penzias, the two people responsible for discovering that the universe was still expanding and that there was cosmic background radiation from the Big Bang. So Edwin, how did you discover that the universe was still expanding even to this day?
Well, I decided to dive deeper into Georges Lemaitre's theory on how the universe started with a Big Bang. And then I went to my telescope to see if the galaxies were moving proportional to the size, and I discovered that they were.
Yeah, but how does that prove the theory?
Well, you see, since the farther away objects are from us, the faster they are moving away. So that means the universe can't be static, and therefore it has to be expanding, proving the Big Bang Theory.
Very interesting. Now, we move on to Mr. Penzias. Hello, and how are you doing today?
Good. And what about you?
Fantastic. Now tell me how you discovered there was cosmic background radiation, and how that proves the Big Bang Theory.
Well, me and my colleagues, Robert Wilson, and we're investigating a noise coming from our antenna, and we realized that it was from leftover radiation from the Big Bang.
How did you know for sure that that was leftover radiation?
Well, we eliminated all other possibilities, like a pigeon's nest and their children interfering. That means we murdered the pigeons and saw that the noise came uniformly from all over the sky. Since the Big Bang Theory clearly states that the early universe was a very hot place, and that as it expands, the gas within it cools, spreading radiation everywhere. The only option was that the noise came from cosmic microwave background radiation.
That's very cool. But that's all the time we have for today. See you next week where we learn about other cool science facts.
Oh yeah.
Johnny, you stole myself.
Dude, sit down.